They have Shirley Furious IPA.
Shirley.
You want Shirley?
So, Kat, ano ba ito?
We are going to Thailand
For what?
for our honeymoon.
Where in Thailand?
We're going to Koh Samui and then Bangkok.
So, where are you going? Yeah.
Well, honey,
Where are you going, young lady?
I am going to Koh Samui.
Kat,
Okay, seriously.
Kat, are you going to the country of Bangkok?
Yes.
Hopefully we'll get our beer before we get on the airplane, right, you know?
I was 10
coming
hours
right
in
now.
work, okay? So my brain was focusing on my dual screen and then texting.
Yes, you can just. Yes.
Yep.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, you know. Is that yours?
No,
this
that's
one's
yours.
This yours?
Oh,
Just mine.
that's his, and then that's his.
Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
We're gonna get hammered here. I'm gonna fall asleep.
I was gonna get you the big one.
left the country.
There's a 23 ounce.
What's that? That's 3 bottles? About yeah.
2.
2?
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone. Just you and me together. Don't let me lose hope.
Kat, I saw some pretty good pictures in the wedding. Out of the 800,
Yeah.
you only picked yours. There's all these other people that have
Oh,
really
you
good
guys
pictures.
looked at the link I sent?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like. Well, I didn't like the other ones. In
Well,
the
because
link.
you're not in there. I saw
No,
some really good ones.
Even no, but I picked the good ones of all of Peyton.
No, I saw
I picked all
some.
the good ones of Ashley.
I saw some really good ones where I was in there. You didn't pick. Much as Kat,
Huh?
I should charge you as much as the other guy charged you.
Why?
Was it Alma?
Yeah.
Yeah, I should charge you that much too. For
Yeah,
for documenting this for you.
You know how much total he charged me? That's a
Arm and a
that's
leg.
a nice 2001 Honda.
Yeah, I said
Of
arm and,
course.
arm and a leg.
Ooh,
Probably beginning of December.
it's strong now. Gotta mix it.
These are drink good.
What do you mean is it good? You
No,
cut
like
it.
no, like down here.
Same.
It's strong now.
I think the Asian airlines, they're not shy with the food. They give better food, yeah. Delta, they're a little stingy with the food.
Yeah, their food is super bland.
Yeah. Mika food.
I think that's worth it.
That's
Hopefully it's
Chinu's,
just the ice.
Chinu order blue label there. He wants to get knocked out on his 10-hour flight.
Yep.
So he just goes in there and he falls asleep. This is my drink. What am I having?
Shirley Furious.
Shirley?
Yep.
Little 24 ounce, 20 ounce, 16 ounce.
I think that might be the 16.
16 ounce, yeah. T-Ball is on his way
T-Ball is on his way to
to
Missouri.
St. Louis, yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is a
You're gonna
lot.
pee like crazy, man.
That's Chinu's blue label,
Black label.
black label. What's the difference in blue and black hat?
No idea.
You could tell them it's blue though.
Yeah. What's the difference, Chinu, between blue and black?
No idea. They both mess you up.
They both mess you up. Yeah.
So weird.
Ugh. You want
Yeah.
some?
She needs it.
What is it?
Just take a sip. She doesn't even need like a whole drink. Just make a sip. Just take a sip. We'll see it. Come on, we'll put it on camera. Just take a sip.
What is it?
It'll make you.
It's like nasty shit.
It'll make you. Yeah, it'll make you feel comfortable on the airplane.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
But you think you knew.
Oh my god! It's like.
Really alcohol?
Oh my god! How can you drink that?
On the rock.
It's,
Oh!
It's just to mess you up.
Oh my goodness. And I said, oh, your dad bought me 2 Lululemons yesterday. Oh yeah, she was like, yeah, she was like, no wonder I was asking Dad where that white bag came from.
See, I told you. It's the bag. She counts the bags.
Yeah.
And I'll be like, she knew I need a new lunch bag. Nope, I need one. I need a small one. I'm like, whatever.
Are you wasted already on just one sip?
That shit was nasty, okay?
Jeez,
The little spritz of vodka.
you wasted.
Finish it.
打短见要红打钱哦。
Wi-Fi available
No, you can
Is it free?
text message
Oh.
and social media, but you
No
can
free.
to browse you need to pay for it.
Well, that's good.
Should we just do it and I
Daddy,
hotspot
Daddy,
it
be careful.
and then I'll hotspot it?
That'll work.
Well,
We're
maybe
like, wouldn't everyone do that though?
I don't know if I connect and I just hotspot to all 4 of us.
They might do like a phone code thing.
Koh Samui with Santa get your luggage. This is the 2 honeymoon people. We're just working our way out here at Koh Samui Airport. There should be a guy waiting for us out there. Okay.
Wait, can we take a quick picture? Can I take a quick picture? Yeah, hold this.
That's the real sign now. Yeah, put John shot on you know.
See, all the young couple might go to their some little pets.
Yeah.
I don't know if I trust cheating yet.
Serious?
He might not trust himself.
Are you gonna hit a pothole? You know, it's like a stroke.
No, it goes too fast.
Ikaw tatay mo pa mention no? Yeah.
At least take that.
10 guys.
Jeez.
是不是结婚啊？你 Koh Samui. Yeah, that's the more Thai stadium right there. So betul lah tu Shanto ah. Oh, been there a lot of Pepto-Bismol guys.
Angie?
A lot of Pepto-Bismol.
Mommy, another puppy.
No, but your land case, isn't it, right?
Uh-huh. See, Mommy?
Picture of a pepper.
Every food picture has pepper on there.
Oh, yeah. Tight.
Maybe I should have bought that Pepto-Bismol thing for Dad.
I told you.
Jungle Cruise. Look at this.
Jong, Sha.
Looks fun though.
There needs to be a rope.
This is when a Range Rover takes over.
Yeah. Okay, I think I might pull dash.
Holy cow.
I know.
Woo!
Oh, shit! I'm
not
for
finished.
reals on a roller coaster. It's not finished yet?
No.
Oh my god! See, look at that one. Wait, just think about if you're driving a vehicle. Holy cow! Oh my gosh!
Dude, this is crazier. Look at him.
Oh, this is up in was it? No, when we were in Colorado, you go up, what's that mountain?
Oh my god. Pikes Peak.
Pikes Peak, now you have to put it on gear pay.
Yeah, I know what Josh, you know?
都有，
都有啊。
So, that's my car. I drove that one, and so this is how we park in Koh Samui. You just park right on the road there. We just got the car. We've been driving for a little bit here. We're gonna go eat just street food here. So they saw a papaya stand up there. We're gonna go eat the papaya stand.
What's not open up?
What?
They're not open yet. Not till noon.
What do you mean?
They're not open till noon.
No wonder. ไปปัดจะตลาดพบกันตัดนู่นอย่า all of the stores over there, put down because you guys want to go across there, see what she got. Let's go to the duck place. Yeah. Fishing shop. Whoa. We should go get some of that, you know, fishing shop. Yeah, then we'll eat the chicken.
We'll get one order of the papaya salad with rice noodles.
Spicy?
Yes.
Yes, spicy. Tạm xương.
Do
Two tason.
Two thumbs on.
2
Song,
Yeah, song.
song tason.
ค่ะถูก
And then one hot, one medium.
And then
Spicy.
chicken.
One chicken.
One chicken.
Sticky rice หรือ skim rice
Sticky.
Sticky rice 1 2
One.
1ไก่โตหนึ่งด้วยเด้อแล้วก็ข้าวเหนียวห่อหนึ่ง
If you're gonna do it, we gotta go get Pepto-Bismol first.
Forget it. We need health insurance, guys.
Huh?
Only at home.
I'm not gonna.
Bye. Look like cat today.
Oh, the Angie, go come on, the last one there. You can taste the spice there. Hey, type one now, put the no, kind of medium rare. So we're gonna have to get used to this medium rare. So, okay, how was it?
C minus.
We killed it, except for the chicken or medium rare. So, but you got it, you know. But the papaya is different, yeah. I think,
What is it? It's not Lao style. It's Thai style.
yeah, that's a bit.
So it's sweeter.
The salted crab.
That's a bit some old thing because they put all made like taco.
Yeah.
It's not like that in Mexico.
Yeah. It's not authentic.
We changed it, just like here. We changed it.
A lot of vegetables, not a lot of the noodles.
Yeah. Well, that's the way they cook it there.
No, it's not, Dad. Okay?
Yeah, it is.
No, it is not.
Okay. We're gonna walk down. We're gonna eat another one down there, and it's gonna be the same thing.
No.
No. Next time, get fried chicken, okay?
Deep fried.
Fried.
Now this is what.
Not barbecue.
Yeah,
Get
deep fried.
Like the
Yeah,
one,
like
the
the-
first one
yeah,
we
that's
went
deep
and
fried.
we got the whiff.
หอมแหนมบ่มีน่ะทุกคนมาซอยไว้ก่อนบัดย้ำลูกค้าเขาเลยจังสิแล่นเปลี่ยนย้ำบางบ่เรียน
Don't leave me here forever. Don't let me be alone.